policy bias shifts to controlling inflation over supporting growth, what impact is this having on food prices?
I think government will try to control price, but overall, every year you will see some up and down price, simply because the supply is fragmented. Government will still take more interventions, but the risk in terms of volatility of price will remain. And this is a large concern because volatility in price for food remains volatility for the CPI overall.
How are pork prices looking in China? Do they still pose a risk to food price inflation as they make up a big component of the food inflation basket there?
Right, true. We always joke about the CPI to be the China pork index for China, and it will remain true. And the situations, it's when you look at where we are in the pork price, we are in a quarter two, which is price was going softening, which is after the Chinese New Year, which is a cyclical. The overall price will remain high simply because production costs are high. Corn price keep increasing, labor costs keep increasing. So overall, pork price will remain at a high levels, bringing a lot of pressure on the food CPI.
China on Monday implemented its first increase this year in retail gas and diesel prices. What impact will this have on the cost of food?
The increase of gas and diesel, it will definitely increase transportation costs. So all the supply which is bringing from the north to the south, especially like dairy, and reversely some vegetables product which coming from the south to the north, which is long transportations, and sometimes definitely those prices will increase simply because of a transportation cost.
When do we see food inflation become an issue?
It's a very good question. I think quarter two will be a softening in terms of pressure from the food price. But starting from quarter three, quarter four, we still go back to some risk in terms of inflations. It will depend on how the pork price is changing. There's a lot of change on the industry for the pork industry. And this is the key question, how the pork industry will be more controlled, more organized to bring a more stable supply.